Perched on one of the highest points of Gaucín, Spain, House for a Painter by DTR_Studio Architects was designed as both a home and a creative retreat. Completed in 2015, the 163 square meter residence responds to its owners, its dramatic hillside setting, and panoramic views stretching toward the mountains and the Strait of Gibraltar. Inspired by the village's traditional white architecture, the house takes the form of a simple geometric volume that blends naturally into its surroundings. Designed for a renowned painter, the house combines living and working within a single architectural composition. A white prism is carefully inserted into the rocky terrain, with a double-height studio occupying the lower level. A central courtyard brings natural light deep into the space while exposing the site's original stone, creating a calm environment shaped by concrete, rock, and daylight. Above the studio, a loft-style bedroom overlooks the workspace, strengthening the connection between daily life and artistic practice. The upper floor contains an open-plan living area oriented toward the landscape, where large openings frame expansive views and fill the interior with natural light. The layout encourages a smooth flow between spaces, creating an atmosphere that feels open and connected to nature. The experience concludes on the rooftop, accessed by a footbridge from the rear garden. Here, a minimalist terrace and infinity pool overlook the village and surrounding scenery. Rather than relying on complex forms, the design embraces the timeless qualities of Andalusian architecture through white surfaces, natural light, and a strong relationship with the landscape, resulting in a home that feels both simple and deeply rooted in its setting.